Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today in the house, it's a pretty cool one from ACEdc. I got the Milk Cap Nano in Zirc right over here with me for a review. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out Fablades.com. Maybe this one is available. Who knows? Look at that. What's inside this thing? Couple stickers, just an extra set of bearings, of course, always handy. You get a little bit of plastic, but you get this pretty cool 2022 ACEdc original Milk Cap Nano in Zirc blasted. It looks gorgeous and sounds snappy. Really cool one. Tiny. This is the Nano 31 millimeters wide, and you get 9 millimeters in thickness in this rounded, beautifully cool haptic coin from ACEdc original. This is a classic, guys. You have, for example, this is Lauti and ACEdc collaboration. That's the SAM. Another couple haptics I want to show you right here. You get the Coke bottle cap. Another haptic. What is this fella here from Black Mirror Design? It's the telephone dial, which I really love. And that's it, guys. I don't want to get you bored. We are here to check this haptic out. So basically, pretty straightforward construction. You get, of course, this is a limited edition, and you can see there's 199 made. So when these are gone, these are gone. So if they're sold out, they're sold out. You're gonna have to buy one on the secondary market. But anyways, here you have another 5 magnets on this side, a central magnet pin to keep this together, and the rolling bearings on the edges just to keep this fella from spinning and from actually touching it. So it doesn't touch. You see a little bit of a gap right there, and that is why you have this effect like that. So basically the main purpose of this haptic is just to click it away like so. All right, but you see that this guy can produce quite some noise, so it might be distracting or annoying for someone. So the thing you have to do is just apply a little bit more pressure, and you see, it's pretty silent. It's very quiet. You still get the haptic feedback in your hand, so it's very pleasant. Or if you are just in a loud environment or in your pocket, you can just click it away and make it kind of loud. So also, this is going to be pretty lightweight in the pocket. I forgot if I already show you the weight. I don't remember. I'm getting old. But if I didn't, this is 35.5 grams in your pocket, so not too shabby. It's tiny, it's rounded, it's not sharp. It has some nice grip because of this ridge, and it's nicely machined from pretty cool zirconium, my favorite material, and blasted. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.